Hi, I'm Matt, and this is my pitch for project number 2. The goal of my project is to determine if test scores increase or decrease based on if they are taking online or on a computer versus taking on paper, and this is in a high school setting. The value is going to be determined that if test scores are increased by taking them online, then maybe we should consider changing the way that tests are being administered in our high schools. On the flip side, if test scores decrease, then maybe we should offer less tests online. But I have a feeling they're going to increase. My research of how I'm going to solve the problem is I would need to research high schools and determine how the tests are currently being administered, and if the administrators liked offering the test online, and if the students liked it. And then based on their test scores, I would create a database that would analyze the test scores and come up with a conclusion to determine if the scores are actually increased or decreased based on how the test was administered. Thank you.